What to look for when purchasing a water ionizer, Part 2. Spend some time researching how long the company has been manufacturing ionizers. After all, this is a considerable investment in your family's health. Setting some time to do your due diligence will pay off in the end. The longer a company has been in the water ionizer business helps to provide data that they are established and credible. For example, Enagic was the original water ionizer company and has been selling ionizers longer than any other company in the world. Does the company that you want to buy from sell other products, or do they specialize in water ionizers? Usually a company that specializes has a narrow focus, so they can make sure the few products that they offer are the best. Look to see where the product was made. Some products will tell you they are made in the United States or Japan, but they do not offer proof of that. Is the company an OEM, an original equipment manufacturer, or are they simply a reseller? Check to see what type of material the ionizer is made from. The best ones will have solid plates that use platinum-coated titanium because it is stable and effective in producing alkaline water. Some of the less expensive ionizers will use platinum, but they mix it with other materials such as aluminum and copper that make it cheaper to manufacture. You want to avoid these other materials being exposed to your drinking water, which can be detrimental to your health. Settling for a cheap ionizer will be more expensive in the long run, since a good quality ionizer will last longer and will require a lot less maintenance. Look for how long the filters will last and the price for replacement filter cost. Machines with antivirus and antibacterial filters will always function at maximum levels as long as they are replaced as scheduled. Some water ionizers have an ORP meter built in, but most of the meters on these devices are not accurate and they need frequent cleaning and recalibration. If the ionizer does have this feature, have it tested first for accuracy. In Part 3, we will look at personal considerations when purchasing an ionizer. Thank you for listening. This is Marianne Greer at PortlandKangenWater.com, 503-449-5242.